Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Car Analyst, the place where we break down the most exciting new vehicles with real insight and future-focused detail. If you love rugged luxury, unstoppable off-road capability, and modern technology wrapped in an iconic design, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the officially unveiled next-generation 2026 Land Rover Defender, a vehicle that stays true to its legendary DNA while stepping boldly into the future. The 2026 Land Rover Defender continues to embrace its unmistakable boxy silhouette, but every line now feels more purposeful, more refined, and more aerodynamic. Land Rover has carefully evolved the design rather than reinventing it, which is exactly what Defender fans want. The front fascia has been updated with slimmer matrix LED headlights, enhanced daytime running lights, and a redesigned grille that improves airflow and cooling. The hood looks more muscular, giving the Defender an even stronger road presence, while subtle aerodynamic tweaks help reduce wind noise and improve efficiency at higher speeds. Around the sides, you will notice new alloy wheel designs ranging from practical off-road focused wheels to premium multi-spoke options for urban drivers. At the rear, updated LED taillights and a revised bumper give the Defender a modern finish while maintaining its rugged identity. Step inside the 2026 Defender and you immediately feel how far this vehicle has come. The cabin now blends hardcore durability with premium luxury in a way few SUVs can match. Land Rover has upgraded materials across the board, including softer touch surfaces, more sustainable upholstery options, and enhanced sound insulation. The dashboard layout feels cleaner and more intuitive, centered around a larger curved touchscreen that now runs the latest generation of the Pivi Pro infotainment system. This system is faster, smoother, and smarter, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, over-the-air updates, and an improved voice assistant that understands natural speech more accurately than ever. Digital innovation continues behind the steering wheel with a fully customizable digital instrument cluster that adapts to driving modes. When you are cruising on the highway, it displays navigation, efficiency data, and driver assistance information. Switch to off-road mode and the display transforms to show wheel articulation, incline angles, water depth sensing, and terrain response settings in real time. The available head-up display has also been improved, projecting key information clearly onto the windshield without distracting the driver. Comfort has been taken to another level in the 2026 Defender. The seats are redesigned for better long-distance support, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available on higher trims. Rear passengers benefit from increased legroom, improved climate control vents, and enhanced USB-C charging options. For families and adventure seekers, the Defender still offers multiple seating configurations, including the practical jump seat up front and optional third-row seating in longer body styles. Storage solutions remain a strong point, with clever compartments, durable rubberized surfaces, and an expansive cargo area designed to handle everything from camping gear to professional equipment. Under the hood, the next-generation Defender offers a range of advanced powertrain options to suit different needs and markets. Expect updated turbocharged petrol and diesel engines that deliver more power while improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. The highlight of the lineup is the new plug-in hybrid system, which combines a powerful electric motor with a refined combustion engine to deliver impressive torque, smoother acceleration, and the ability to drive short distances on electric power alone. This makes the Defender more city-friendly without compromising its legendary off-road strength. Land Rover is also strongly hinting at a future fully electric Defender variant, signaling the brand's commitment to electrification while respecting the Defender's adventurous spirit. Off-road capability remains the heart and soul of the Defender, and the 2026 model pushes boundaries even further. The latest terrain response system has been enhanced with smarter algorithms that automatically adapt to changing surfaces like sand, mud, snow, rocks, and water crossings. The air suspension system offers increased ground clearance when needed and lowers the vehicle for easier entry and improved on-road stability. Advanced all-wheel drive technology, locking differentials, and improved traction control ensure that the Defender remains one of the most capable off-road vehicles on the planet. The new Defender also features upgraded cameras, including a clearer 360-degree surround view and an improved transparent hood system that lets you see obstacles beneath the vehicle when navigating extreme terrain. Safety and driver assistance features have been significantly expanded in the 2026 Defender. Standard and available technologies include adaptive cruise control with lane centering, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, driver fatigue monitoring, and a new semi-autonomous driving system designed to reduce stress on long journeys. Structural enhancements and advanced airbag systems further improve occupant protection, making the Defender not just tough on the outside, but reassuringly safe on the inside. One of the most impressive aspects of the new Defender is how well it balances tradition and innovation. It still feels like a true Defender, capable of tackling remote landscapes and extreme conditions, yet it now delivers the refinement, connectivity, and comfort expected from a modern luxury SUV. Whether you are an off-road enthusiast, a daily commuter who wants something bold and capable, or a family looking for a versatile and safe adventure vehicle, the 2026 Land Rover Defender offers a compelling package. As Land Rover continues to evolve the Defender lineup, this next-generation model proves that iconic vehicles do not need to lose their identity to stay relevant. Instead, by embracing technology, sustainability, and modern design while honoring its heritage, the Defender secures its place in the future of SUVs. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Land Rover Defender and want more detailed reviews, upcoming car reveals, and honest analysis, make sure to stay connected with the Car Analyst. Let us know your thoughts about the new Defender and whether you would choose it for city life, off-road adventures, or both.